guys, welcome back to Single Sara. Happy Diwali to everybody. It's 4th of November, which means it's Diwali, and it also marks my, I think, 1 year anniversary of my YouTube channel, because I'm pretty sure I posted my first video today, so that's exciting. And so today we're just doing fun things like making rangoli, eating lots of sweets, decorating, clicking loads of pictures. But this Diwali again is pretty low-key because nobody's coming, nobody's going anywhere, and I kind of have a sick. No, I also have a cold. I'm sorry. So we're just doing fun stuff. I'm going to be recording, and I went to a Diwali party a few days ago, so I recorded there. So I'm also going to add that, and it's really sunny. I'm so sorry. I'm like this, but yeah, come be a part of my fun Diwali stuff, I guess. Guys, so we're going out for a Diwali night party, and it's like a few days before Diwali, and I'm all ready. I know I couldn't record a lot my outfit, but because we're kind of getting really late, we were informed like 1 hour before that we had to leave, so let's just have fun. So every year we play housey and we never win, and this year I just had a really good feeling about winning, and this is my face 10 minutes later, so I'm pretty sure you can guess how we are doing.
Two little ducklings, 2 and 2, 22.
So you know what, I'm just gonna stick to eating something I can actually do. So today was a lot of fun, and now we're just going home, and I'm probably just gonna see you on the day of Diwali, so see you then. So as you can see, we already started on a rangoli, and I'm not recording the whole process. We are making a very simple rangoli this year, and it's nothing grand. Bye! Hello! Let's take a minute to appreciate this cutie. He's my cousin's cat, and he's absolutely adorable. So I'm getting my makeup done from my sister, and I didn't record the whole process because it was quite boring, but all the bickering you hear is me and my sisters.
सर तुम हिल रही हो, तुम उसको सुमो ऐसा लगता है पकड़ी वो भी आ रहा है.
Now I'll be wearing some of my favorite outfits that I loved from my closet, and I'm going to be trying them out. I had to try them on anyways because I don't know what I want to wear. So I've done my makeup, and I'll just try it on, show it to you guys, and maybe you guys can take some inspiration. And I'm also eating barfi. Also, I completely forgot to show you guys our final result for the rangoli. It looks really nice, and we did it like in like I think half an hour. That's it. Like last year, it took us so much time, but I think as each year passes by, we're getting better at it. So let me show you all. This is our rangoli. I think it looks really nice, okay? For half an hour, this is very nice, and we've also put diyas, and we're gonna light it up at night. So keep in mind that none of these outfits are a set. I just randomly paired everything together. So first up, we have this red kurti, which I paired up with this sharara kind of thing that I bought individually. And this outfit is like a proper traditional outfit that you'd wear if somebody is coming home or if you're going somewhere. And I'm just wearing golden earrings. This outfit is perfect to wear to a Diwali party. So here I'm wearing a black crop top with a heavy long skirt and a lot of junk jewelry. Now I would wear this somewhere where I know there's a lot of dancing and a lot of fun, but I wouldn't wear this to sit at home. I absolutely love this outfit because of how modern and traditional it is at the same time. So I'm wearing a black crop top with like a dupatta or scarf and like a traditional palazzo kind of thing, and it's really comfortable, but it is also quite traditional at the same time. This outfit is obviously my favorite because I'm wearing a t-shirt, length kurti and some bell bottoms and earrings, and it's very comfortable and it's comparatively safe to be around fire too. So this is my OOTD, or actually OOTN I guess. I decided to go for this one because it was the comfy, especially because of the jeans, and I realized nobody's coming, so why dress up so much? So I decided to be comfy. I still have to add earrings because they just make the outfit look complete, and I have to go light diyas because it's really late. As you can see, it's 6 already, and so I'm gonna do that and rate my outfit, I guess. So we've actually come to our cousin's place because they live right next door, and we just thought we'll come and have a look at the firework going on.
Augie, where's your cockroach? Augie, where's your cockroach?
Oh yeah, we are not good at this. Say hi. Hi, acha. Hi. It is so noisy because everybody's cracking firecrackers over here, and I don't know why nothing's happening, but like a second ago everybody had those beautiful crackers in the sky, the ones that light up, and it was really pretty. My camera is shaking so much because all this was happening like right over our head, and I was screaming so much, and the reason why this video has no audio, it's because the whole time I'm just shouting like a baby. So that crashed.
2, 3, 4.
We are going home, and it's really noisy, so I don't know if you can hear me, but the last time I said I'm gonna add subtitles because you guys couldn't hear me, you could, so I'm pretty sure you still can. I think Sara on this, but I also would have gone on the terrace to do this, but the issue is that I'm not sure it's gonna work, so we're just gonna do it here. And that is it for the Diwali vlog for this year. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope you guys had fun at your homes and didn't crack firecrackers and stayed safe. So yeah, that's it, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye.